Welcome back to the channel, guys. Right, we're out in the high maintenance girlfriend Range Rover here. I've just got the parcel for the new transformers just come today for the pressure washer, so I'm really curious to see if I got it right again. So we're just making our way to the garage where the pressure washer is kept. But anyway, just a little update on this Range Rover after all the jobs I've done on it. Touch wood, it's running like a Rolls Royce again. I have been toying with what other car would I get that could do all the jobs that I needed to do, which is big enough to put everyone in from the band, to pull the trailer all around the country. There's number one. To carry all my tools for when I fix the odd car every now and again. I was looking at Audi Q7s. I don't really know anything about them, and until I did a video, oh my god, who the hell engineered the Q7? I wouldn't like to do the timing chains on one of them. One, they're at the back of the engine. I think the guy who designed that engine was really pissed off. Maybe his wife ran off with another guy, but my god, I will not be getting one of them. It makes this engine look so basic. But yeah, I just don't know what else. What other car I would get that does all the, and obviously this thing's so comfortable, which it is. When it's running right, it drives nice. There's nothing like them. Heated steering wheel, heated seats, cool seats. The guys have got the rear entertainment if they wanted to watch a film or even watch the telly. But yeah, here we go. Right guys, it's finally arrived. Let's have a look at this. Hopefully this is going to fix the pressure washer. Any luck? Okay, that looks like the right one. We're going to put this in and see if it's going to work, shall we? Nice, let's put this thing in. There is a bracket missing on the back. Has it been dropped? Right guys, is this gonna work? Just need to nip this down now. I might put the other bracket on there, that's because that's a bit loose, look. Okay, are we gonna try it? Yes we are. I'm not confident. I'm gonna put this back on. to do something with them as well. I think I'll a bit on the long side then. Okay. Moment of truth. Some water going through it. Let's put the switch on. Okay, just show the water's gone through there. Right, let's do this. That's cold. Is it going to trip onto the wall? There you go. Right again. It's very smoky because there's been a lot of diesel going into that, obviously. So we'll just let that burn off. For now, it's just burning the excess of diesel off. Oh my god! So we'll just let it burn off for a while and that should clear up. So yeah, rather successful. Yeah, she's away. It's the most important thing. It will burn out eventually. Just let it burn that diesel off. It's starting to clear. Yeah, that's starting to warm up. Water, you say? Yes, that's red hot. That's fantastic. So yeah, that's that fixed. It's starting to clear up now. Let it warm up. It's getting better, guys. See? There's the excess of diesel being burned away. You can see how hot that is out coming out of there now. So we like it. Just make sure this thermostat works and we can turn it down a little bit. There you go. So 110, she's working nicely. Just make sure she is cooking in and out. About 90 for now. And once it gets down to 90 degrees, we'll kick back in. There we go. That's cleared up very nicely. Look, guys, it's working absolutely fantastically now. No smoke at all. It's burning up nicely. Now it's just ripping this off. Fantastic. Right, guys and girls, that's the pressure washer fixed now. She's burning beautifully, producing red hot water as well. Everything works really well on that now. So it was the transformer again. I was right again. And an update on the Range Rover. It's running like a Rolls Royce again after one, getting an actuator, two, then getting the left caliper, rear caliper, and then the water pump. And now the car runs like a dream again. So let's hope it keeps on running like a dream. So there you go. So on that note, seeds are bubbling.